Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what this is an insulated water bottle that allows you guys to drink water out of, and they also give you guys the option to pour water on the top, so that way you can feed it to your pet if you guys want to. So you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see the one that we got right here is a black color. They do have this available in many other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. And the capacity that's on the bottle right here is 33 ounce. And then for the lid option for the little bowl for your pet is 360 milliliter. And if you guys turn to the side, they do probably got some specs and features on the product as well. So they mentioned how the product is insulated, so it definitely will keep your drink hot or cold for 24 hours for cold and 12 hours of warmness. And they do mention how the product is leak proof when you guys do use the lid. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, here's what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. So first thing inside right here, they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to maintain the product and how to clean it. And right here we do have the actual product. So let's peel this part out. Here is basically what the product looks like. So in the front part right here we do have the brand logo. Right here they provide guys a little handle option for you to carry around really easily. Bottom part right here is basically the bowl option that I was talking about that you can use to feed water for your pet. So if you guys twist it, that is basically what the bottom part looks like. So you guys can definitely use that bowl to feed water for your pet if you guys do want to. And then once you guys are done, just close it back up. And it's all set. And then when you guys feel the side of the pot right here, it definitely feels very soft and very smooth. And it has the type of material that's on here, so that way when you guys put like hot liquid in here or super cold liquid in here, you won't feel it on the side, which is pretty nice. And right here on top is basically the lid option. So if you guys open up, here's basically what the inside looks like. So the interior is definitely stainless steel. And then for the lid option, it is leak proof with the silicone material that's on there. And when you guys feel the overall weight of the product, it definitely feels a little bit heavy because it is a high quality water bottle that's insulated. And if you can see in the bottom of the water bottle, they do have this non-slip material. So that way when you guys do put on a flat surface or a table or something, it won't move around. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm going to go pour some water inside right here to test out the lid to see whether or not it's actually leak proof first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let's test it out to show you guys whether or not it's actually leak proof. So we're going to open the lid first. And we'll pour some water inside. Alright, so that should be good. Close it back up. And if you guys pour it out. And we see how none of the water leaks out. So the product is leak proof. And then like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the dog bowl option in the bottom, twist it. And put it out right here. And you definitely do have the option to open up the lid. Pour the water out really easily like this. So that way now your pet can drink water out from here if they want to. And then once you guys are done, you guys can pour this out. And just put it back on the bottom. You can see it's super compact and portable for you guys to use it for yourself and also for your pet, which is pretty cool. And like I mentioned earlier for the product, when you guys do use it, if you guys put like really hot stuff or really cold stuff inside right here, you shouldn't feel it from the outside. So let's test it out. So I do have some boiling water here. If you pour it inside. Alright, so we got hot liquid inside. You can see all the steam that's coming out. And when you guys do feel the product, you don't feel any of the hotness or the warmness that's on here, which is pretty nice. So it's definitely really safe for you guys to touch it on the side when you guys do add hot stuff in here. And just to show you guys how hot the liquid is, if you guys pour it out. You can definitely see the steam that comes out from the hot liquid. So the product definitely does work. And then obviously if it's the first time using the product, you do want to wash it with some warm water and some soap as well to make sure it's clean before I use it. But that is everything that's on the product. If you see, it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now it's a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So you see when I actually pour the water out from the bottle, it is leak proof. None of the water leak out. So regardless if you guys put hot liquid or cold liquid in here, it doesn't really matter. It will definitely keep your drink really warm or cold for a long period of time. And I love the fact that how she has a detachable bowl option, so that way you can feed food or water to your pet on that little bowl when you guys are traveling or something. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality water bottle that's insulated and also give you guys a little bowl on the bottom for your pet to use. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, now basically don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.